A heated dispute has erupted between social media platform X and the Indian government over the blocking of over 2,300 accounts, including those of international news agency Reuters. X claims the government ordered the blocks on the 3rd of July under the IT Act, demanding compliance within an hour without justification. But the Indian Ministry of Electronics and IT denies issuing any fresh orders. Clarifying it immediately urged X to unblock Reuters. X restored the accounts after 21 hours, but tensions remain as X raises concerns about press censorship in India and also explores legal options. Here are the details.
A fresh war of words has erupted involving Tesla chief Elon Musk. And this time, it's not with US President Trump, but the Indian government instead. Days after several news agencies' X handles were blocked in India, including Reuters, the Musk-owned social media platform X has hit out against the centre, expressing deep concern about ongoing press censorship in India. X claims the Indian government ordered the social media platform to block 2,355 accounts in the country within an hour, without giving any justification, under Section 69A of the IT Act. Yet, after much public outcry, the government ultimately asked X to unblock Reuters handles, the Musk-owned social media platform claims. It further stated that given the restrictions by Indian law, X is pursuing legal options. The IT ministry has clearly denied any orders on withholding the Reuters handle, saying it was working with X to resolve the matter and had demanded that the handle be unblocked as soon as it was blocked. On July 5th, X blocked the handles of Reuters and Reuters World, with a message displayed on their accounts stating that they had been withheld in India in response to a legal demand. This is not the first time X has clashed with the government over the IT Act, which allows the centre to demand the takedown of content from social media platforms if deemed a threat to public order or national security. Last year, the Election Commission ordered certain political posts be withheld ahead of the polls, to which X expressed public outrage. In 2021, X was locked in a standoff with the centre over non-compliance with legal orders to block posts, which it later complied to. India is a crucial growth market for ex-Chief Musk, on the brink of launching other key ventures such as Starlink and Tesla in the country. All eyes are on Musk, and if this latest flashpoint will impact the launch of Starlink, which is in its final stages in India. Disha Bagchi for NDTV.